In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to your Wix website. This process allows you to seamlessly integrate your beautifully designed Canva works directly into your Wix site, making it even more engaging and aesthetically pleasing for your visitors. So, let's dive into the easy-to-follow steps that will guide you through the entire process. First and foremost, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to the website you've been working on or have just created. Canva is a powerful design tool that's widely used for its versatility and vast array of design options. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a personal blog, or a business website, Canva offers an intuitive platform to create visually appealing content. Once you have your website open in Canva, prepare to share your masterpiece with the world. On the top right of the Canva interface, you'll spot the Share button. Give it a click. This button is your gateway to distributing your design outside of Canva. Among the options that appear, you'll find one labeled Embed. This is the feature you'll be using to transport your design from Canva onto Wix. By clicking Embed, you'll be prompted to copy an embed code. This code is essentially a snippet of HTML that allows your Canva design to be displayed on other platforms like Wix. Next, shift gears and open your Wix website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to choose the specific site to which you want to add your design. Wix is another fantastic platform, perfect for creating websites without needing extensive technical knowledge. Its user-friendly interface makes it simple to customize your site in just a few clicks. Now, with your site open in the Wix editor, locate the option labeled Add Elements. This feature allows you to bring additional content and functions to your website, enhancing its appeal and capability. Within Add Elements, you'll find an option for Embed Code. This is where we integrate external content like the Canva design. Simply click on Embed HTML. Once you've opened this section, you'll see space where you can paste the embed code you just copied from Canva. This step is essential as it's the bridge between Canva and Wix. By pasting the code here, your design gets directly embedded into your website, ensuring it's seamlessly integrated with the rest of your site's content. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Canva to your Wix website, allowing your design talents to shine online. With this integration, you can keep your site updated with fresh, custom content as often as you like. Remember, the visual appeal of your website can significantly enhance user experience, so take full advantage of the creative freedom offered by Canva and Wix. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!